In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share a report on Salesforce. Sharing reports is really important when you're working with a team because it makes sure everyone is looking at the same information and using the same data to make decisions. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through the exact steps to share a report, and I'll also point out a few details you'll want to pay attention to so you give people the right level of access. First, log into your Salesforce account as you normally would. Once you're on the main Salesforce home screen, look at the top navigation bar. You're looking for the tab labeled Reports. If you can already see Reports there, go ahead and click it to open the Reports area. If you don't see Reports in your top navigation, that's okay. On the far right of that navigation bar, you should see a small pencil or edit icon. Click that pencil icon to customize your navigation. From there, you'll be able to add the Reports tab to your menu. Once you've added it, save or apply your changes, then click the Reports tab to continue. Now that you're in the Reports section, look over to the left side of the screen. You'll see different options and filters for organizing your reports. Find and select all folders. This view shows you the full list of report folders that you have access to, and inside those folders, you'll see the individual reports. Browse through the folders or use the search bar if you have one to locate the specific report you want to share. When you find it in the list, look at the right side of that reports row. You should see a small downward pointing arrow or more options icon. Click that arrow and a drop-down menu will appear. From that drop-down, select Share. This will open a sharing pop-up window. In the sharing pop-up, you'll choose who you want to share the report with. Depending on your Salesforce setup, you may be able to share with individual users, roles, or public groups. Start typing the name of the person or group, then select it from the suggestions that appear. Repeat this for everyone you want to give access to. Next, set the level of access for each person or group. Typically, you'll see options like View, Edit, or Manage. View lets them only look at the report, Edit allows them to modify it, and Manage usually gives full control, including sharing it with others. Choose the appropriate permission based on what they need to do. Once you've added everyone and set their access levels, click the Share button. You should now see the people or groups you added listed under the Who Can Access section in the pop-up. Take a moment to review that list and confirm everything looks correct. When you're satisfied with the settings, click Done to close the pop-up. And that's it. You've successfully shared your Salesforce report.